Hi, my name is Shaft Uddin and I'm a wellness coach for your business. Here's a testimonial video for my signature workshops, which is work-life balance, limiting stress, and purpose and belonging. Enjoy this video and let's talk afterwards.
Hi everyone, my name is Kate and I just wanted to share the insights that we have as I just met Shaft, and it's been an amazing 3 hours of workshop having with him. Actually, that's not a workshop, because what he brings to you is experience, it's emotions, it's insights on your values, your perspective for life. And I would definitely say that this is one of the most amazing experiences I've recently had for finding yourself, where you stand at the world, how you observe others, how you understand your emotions, what's your value, what's your purpose. All of that is just a small portion of what you can take out of your time with Shaft. So any moment you have, feel free to reach him back. It was amazing, Shaft. Thank you for this.
Hello everyone, we just finished an amazing workshop with Shaft here in our office in Bulgaria. It was amazing, Shaft. I cannot thank you enough. It was lovely. Thank you again for reminding us how important it is to live your life, to love your life, and to bring passion in everything you do in every single day. Again, I cannot highly recommend enough.
I love my life, I love my body, I love myself.
Hey, I love Shaft's workshop. I love his positivity. I love his message, and I love the way he works with people.
I loved Shaft's workshop. We had some very good ideas on how to manage my work-life balance and my stress, and I'm actually very glad to hear a contribution from somebody really cool dude, very positive, awesome.
I love that he reminds us that it's very important to have fun, because sometimes it's quite easy to forget this and just focus on the things that are actually stressing us. Then breathing practices, just like having a few minutes for practice deep breathing, can help you get rid of stress or at least reduce it. And the last one is neck massage. I think is the best one because I have a headache like daily. Thank you.
I love Shaft's work because we got reminded to love ourselves, and we often forget this, and also to listen to ourselves, our body, our soul, and the people around us and our environment. And also take it easy. Life is already difficult, so don't make it even more. So thank you a lot, Shaft.
I'm practicing a very simple form of stretching.
I would like to say thank you very much, Shaft, for that great workshop. You actually answered my question before I asked you. Thank you very much for that.
About this workshop is the calmness and the bonding that it created with my colleagues, and it reminded me about the breathing exercises, because they really helped me when I had panic attacks, and somehow I stopped doing them, but now this workshop reminded me that I have to do them again to feel calm. Thank you.
So we're going to turn it into a meditation so you enjoy it even more, to add more value to your coffee. So you're going to slowly get to your cup. We're going to add a bit of mindfulness into this, closing our eyes, bringing our awareness to our hearts and our cups, and you're going to smell the beautiful coffee and let out a big ah. And we're going to do this 3 times. It helps you relax your nervous system and brings your awareness to that big, beautiful beating heart of yours and the aroma of the coffee. One more time. And during this coffee shake meditation, you're going to speak from the heart, and you're going to find a partner, do active listening for 3 minutes. One person's going to speak, the other person's going to listen. You're not going to offer any feedback, you're just going to listen, then you're going to switch. A very simple form of active listening, bringing mindfulness into your practice of just drinking coffee and building more connection and a sense of belonging. So find a partner, and I'll use the stopwatch.
So why not try a coffee sharing meditation today? And if you liked what you saw, let's jump on a call. I'd love to speak to you to see how I could contribute to your company culture. Take care and have an amazing day, and hopefully speak to you very shortly.